Today I've got an app for you where you can sharpen your English conversation skills, and I believe this is one of the amazing app for someone who just started their English speaking journey. Hey, yeah, welcome back to my channel. As you already know, what are we going to discuss? Today, I would be discussing about an app which I've used while learning English as a beginner and found really helpful. So, I thought of sharing it with you because it's an amazing app. But before that, I'm extremely sorry for not being active. I think I would be uploading this video after almost a month. I would try to be active from now on. Okay, let's talk about this wonderful app. Today I've got an app for you where you can sharpen your English conversation skills, and I believe this is one of the amazing app for someone who just started their English speaking journey, because we all are good at writing and reading, but the problem we face is speaking. And when we start speaking, we have to talk to people, right? But it's absolutely impossible to not get nervous while talking to people in English as a beginner. So what can we do to not get nervous while talking to people? Don't talk to people. But the question is then how we would practice English and how we would improve our English. So there is an app where you can practice your English without talking to people, but it would feel like that you are speaking to real people. And ultimately, it would also increase your vocab and your idea of sentence formation. So let's have a look at this wonderful app. You can simply download it from Play Store by searching English Conversation Practice. You would find a lot of conversation about different topics, different situations, and this is something what we need, right? Now we can easily practice English without talking to real people, right? Okay, now let me explain how you can practice your English here. You can select any conversation of any situation, then just simply listen to it.
Hey,
Let me show
how
you
was
how
school
you
today?
can.
Mom, it was fun. I made a new friend. That's nice. What's her name? Her name is Cindy. Is she new to your school? Yeah, she's a new student.
So this is how you can listen to any conversation, and after listening to it, there's a quiz. You can do that quiz to check how attentive you were while listening to the conversation, and after that you can practice there by switching the roles. The sentences would be in front of you, you just have to read, and after practicing you can also record to check how well you speak. It will be auto recorded in your app, and the best thing is that it would also improve your pronunciation, because you would be able to observe how the person is speaking and how you are speaking, the mistakes you are making. And that's all for today. If you have any doubt regarding the app or anything, you just simply write it down. I would surely reply to your comment because I'm good at replying. And if you like the video, you found it helpful, then you can just simply press that like button. Plus you can subscribe to my channel if you want to watch more videos, because yeah, it would make me more active. Okay, bye bye, tata, and take care.